Let's learn how to simplify the fraction 4/45. To simplify a fraction, we need to find the greatest common factor between the numerator and denominator. Let's start by finding all the factors of 4. To do this systematically, let's create a factor tree. 4 can be broken down into 2 times 2, so the factors of 4 are 1, 2, and 4. Now let's find the factors of 45. We can break 45 into 9 times 5. 9 can be further broken down into 3 times 3. Therefore, the factors of 45 are 1, 3, 5, 9, 15, and 45. To find the greatest common factor, we need to identify which numbers appear as factors of both 4 and 45. Looking at our lists, we can see that 1 is the only number that appears in both lists. Since 1 is the greatest common factor, this means that 4 and 45 are coprime, meaning they share no factors other than 1. Therefore, since the greatest common factor is 1, the fraction 4/45 is already in its simplest form. We cannot reduce it any further. To verify this is correct, we can check that no number greater than 1 divides evenly into both 4 and 45.